So first of all, I just want to say thank you for everybody coming here today. What is it we want to talk about? Well, we're expanding in India quite significantly. I think you've read from the press release. We've just come back today from inaugurating our third office in Hyderabad. So that's another 200 seats in Capital Towers. 2 days ago, it was 160 seats in Pune. And I think looking at the growth trajectory of Kagool, there's definitely a lot more to go. So we're planning on around 2,000 headcount in India by 2025, so in the next 3 years. If I look back at how far we've grown, just in the last 6 months, we've doubled our India headcount. Now, just rewinding, instead of talking about numbers all the time, what is it that we actually do? We're a software IT services company. We specialise in helping large enterprises that run SAP and Salesforce and helping them with their data modernisation activities, which generally means bringing Azure Cloud into the landscape, enable them to achieve some of the Industry 4.0 capabilities, such as data science, AI, machine learning, etc. We see India as being the growth engine of our company, delivery engine. We've opened up many front-end sales consultancy offices over the last 6 months in the Middle East, in Qatar, UAE. We've expanded our footprint in the US, in Chicago, Kuala Lumpur, UK as well, in London. The idea is that those offices will start funneling more work into India, which is proven to be extremely successful at delivering high quality, differentiated services compared to our competitors, which are the big guys, the TCSs, the Wipros, Cognizants, Capgeminis. We've proven as what makes us unique is that we are an exclusively privately owned company. We don't have venture capital, private equity, which is driving the company to short-term targets. We have a much longer horizon for this company, which means that we can invest more in our employees. Those employees will deliver because they're happier, they're engaged, they're very energized. They'll deliver much higher quality service to our customers. And that's a testament to them as individuals and people like Kalyan and his team who really invest in training and just employee engagement activities. There's a whole raft of, just done a load of cricket awards, dart awards, chess awards, swimming awards today for just the employee engagement activities that we do for our young talent, turning them from fresh graduates out of university into quite highly capable consultants, IT consultants, within around 6 months, which is really remarkable, and that's a testament to the work that Kalyan does. Yeah, so we've got in India as a whole, we've got 260 people, 260 heads in Hyderabad. That's
260 employees in Hyderabad.
Apologies.
We do not have any clients from APAC as of now. The majority of our clients base is from US and UK. We are looking at stepping into APAC maybe in the coming days. ఇప్పుడు వేరే ఏ కంపెనీ లాగా అయినా కూడా మేము కూడా ఒక ఎంప్లాయీ తోటి స్టార్ట్ అయ్యాము. ఇప్పుడు ఆల్మోస్ట్ 260 ఎంప్లాయీస్ ఉన్నారు హైదరాబాద్లో, అండ్ ఇండియాలో ఆల్మోస్ట్ 400 మంది ఉన్నారు. అండ్ టర్న్ ఓవర్ ఇప్పుడు ఆల్మోస్ట్ మాది 44 CR మాది ఇప్పుడు కరెంట్లీ ఇండియాది. Yeah, globally it's much bigger than this because we have presence in almost 6 or 7 countries, and we are also looking to step into several other countries. But as Dan said, we are a privately held company, so we invest into the company again, into the employees and benefits. It's not that we take profit and that's the end of it. So we invest heavily into the expansion again, and that's where we could see this growth to what we are today.